Hi guys, my name is Emma and let's remember what happened in December 2019. Actually, the MetaLabs company presented the zkSync project. It is a scaling and privacy mechanism for Ethereum. zkSync is designed to provide the throughput of thousands of transactions per second for Ethereum while keeping funds as secure as in Layer 1 accounts, and as well maintaining the high censorship resistance. And another important aspect of this project, it is ultra-low latency. It's about the very instant, very fast economic completeness of transactions. And today we will talk about zkSync and we will try to understand why it is worth observing. And also we will try to perform some activities that will help us to get the future AIRDROP from this project. And subscribe to the channel right now, put your like and check the link in the description under this video. There I have my own Telegram chat with free trading signals, and you will find lots of good and interesting feedback and how it looks like. Join us right today.
The first version of zkSync Lite is a protocol for scalable low-cost payments on Ethereum based on zkRollUp technology. It's been working in the mainnet for more than 2 years, but it lacked the smart contracts, so for a long time there was an active development of zkSync Era. This is a zero-knowledge rollup that supports general EVM compatibility for the Ethereum blockchain, and this means that the most dApps deployed on Ethereum can be deployed on zkSync Era as well. Unlike other competitors, zkSync uses zkRollUps, where the main network checks the calculation results. And let's talk about the main features of the zkSync network. Almost full interoperability with EVM that makes it possible to run smart contracts and dApps from Ethereum without modifications or with minimal code modifications. Low transaction cost. Due to the minimal amount of data transferred to the main blockchain and the use of rollups, the gas fee in zkSync is 10 times lower than the Ethereum. No need to store Ethereum. zkSync allows you to pay commissions by the token you are conducting the transaction. That is, you don't need to store Ethereum in the Layer 2 network to pay for gas. Recently, the team presented the alpha versions of Foundry from zkSync Era, in which the applications are available such as zkCost, interact with contracts, enter or request blockchain data such as account balance or block information, and also zkForge, its compilation of contracts using special compilers and their deployment in the local networks zkSync Era localnet, testnet, and mainnet. Vitalik Buterin considers zkRollUps technology to be the most promising solution for scaling Ethereum, and zkSync is one of the first projects implementing this technology. zkSync is being developed by MetaLabs, founded in 2018 as a developer of scalability solutions for decentralized applications. MetaLabs positions itself not as a company but as a mission, with a clear vision, moral values, and a business model. They say that their mission is to scale Ethereum to 1 billion users, fully preserving its most valuable properties, of course, indivisibility, reliability, and stability, to protect and strengthen global economic freedom. According to the representatives of MetaLabs, zero-knowledge proof is the only technology that makes it possible to achieve this goal. To date, 4 stages of investing have been carried out. The round that was held in 2019, they had 5 investors headed by placeholder and they raised $2 million. Series A that was held in 2021 in February, they had 5 investors and they raised $6 million. Series B was held in 2021 in November, 14 investors headed by A16Z and they raised $50 million. And Series C that was held in 2021 in November and they raised $200 million. Here are some of their investors: OKEx, Consensus, Alchemy, ByBit, A16Z, Union Square Ventures, Dragonfly Commerce, Coinbase Ventures, and many others. And all these investments are for a team of professionals. And here we meet Alex Klukovsky. He is co-founder and CTO of the following companies: Expo Globus, Some Much More, Paul Camper, and Triple Labs. And everywhere he's proven himself very positively, and it is confirmed by the pleasant reviews of former colleagues. Alex Vlasov, he was noted by A16Z and he's considered to be a technical visionary with research experience and a doctorate in electrical engineering. On August 2, MetaLabs announced the appointment of Steve Newcomb to the position of product director after he co-founded, ran and scaled 4 successful companies. The project is constantly undergoing various security audits, and no critical comments are detected. Despite this, the team, together with Immunify, announced a vulnerability search program, and the reward is more $1.1 million. And now all layer 2 assets are in the coverage area. The project has a huge ecosystem. It includes different applications such as wallets, DEX, DAO, payment systems, DeFi protocols, NFT, and others.
However, all the community attention is focused on the future retro drop from the project, because there is no token yet, and the active community members really expect for its distribution as soon as it appears.
Recently, the team has achieved impressive results by receiving over 1 million transactions, 1 million unique active addresses, and 1 million Twitter followers. Well, it's very good. And now we can be active in the main version of zkSync Era network. There are not many activities at the moment, as the zkSync ecosystem is in the initial stage of its development. Therefore, the main task is to periodically maintain long-term activity on the network. Please note that the approximate cost of participation is about $50 per account, and it will take 30 minutes in time, and the reward is a retro drop from zkSync. What should we do for this? Well, we transfer Ethereum via the official bridge from the main Ethereum network. As always, expect a low gas price. The best time for transactions in Ethereum is Sunday morning. Using the bridge several times intermittently is more important than the amount you transfer across the bridge. You can use the reverse withdrawal of Ethereum to layer 1 several times. You can also make deposits using unofficial bridges, for example, Obito Finance or Scylla. Both projects do not have a token, so retrospective rewards are also possible for interactions with these projects. Then we participate in small activities, periodically interacting with projects from zkSync ecosystem. You don't have to interact with all the projects that are presented. You shouldn't even interact with all projects at once in one day, because it doesn't make any sense. The main thing is to keep active on the network from time to time. So try to trade one Sync Swap, Mass Protocol, Nexon Finance, Mute, Maverick Protocol. You can also add some liquidity to Sync Swap, Nexon Finance, Mute, Maverick Protocol. Then I invite you to trade on an NFT marketplaces Mint Square, Creatorland. Let's regularly buy and sell cheap NFT. Do not forget about the light version of zkSync. For example, it can be used for donations in Gitcoin, etc.
Actually, the project is definitely very promising. And also, let's talk about the team, because they act very confidently, slowly. They think about their future prospects, so it is a really competent team. That's why we can really count on the very good retro drop from this project in the future. And I recommend you in this case only one thing: regularly perform some activities and get ready to get this very retro drop. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it's been useful to you, and if you have so many questions, you can write in the comments under this video. And also check the link in the description under this video. There I have my own Telegram chat. There you'll find free trading signals, other information about my strategy, about the cryptocurrency and trading. So I wish you all the best, wish you good luck, cool mind, and see you in the next video.